Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be walking you through this system that helps you make these results. So if you're interested in making money online and you're trying to find a way you can start making money, if you're willing to invest in this system, then I'll advise you check it out. I'll be leaving the link in the description, but I'll also be walking you through on other alternatives that you can try out if you have no investment or if you have no money to invest. And the good thing is that with this system, it doesn't require you to buy a hosting or a domain or pay for any software billing. You just simply join with this amount. So the amount is like 47 or $7, and then you'll be able to become a beta tester for Jason. And I wanted also to highlight something. Don't be carried away with the lifestyle and everything. The main thing that you should be focusing on is whether the system can help you make an income or make commissions or not. But so far, with everything that is saying, it shows like the system has been making him money, because he started doing it in 21 December 4 2021, and he's been seeing all these results like that. So it's something that you have to take a gamble with. It's not something that, as anybody saying, it has worked for them, but Jason has dropped this testimonial to show his results and the other people that have helped him test it since 2021 December. So if you're interested in trying this out, yeah, you can try it. So here are some of the things that you can look out for this beta tester program. It gives you ability to earn up to thousands and thousands of dollars per month. Plus, you don't have to pay for any hosting, any software billing. You don't have to pay for any domain. And the other thing is that you're guaranteed work as long as you are in the US or Canada, and you earn with us permanently for as long as you wish. Step-by-step instructions built for a newbie to understand. We provide 365 days a year of support and assistance, and get paid via direct deposit and ACH. So this is what you have to expect after you're done registering, which is step 1. Step 2 will be to log into your member area, and then you click on where it says look at view of your system. Then you're going to paste in your ID into the software. Then you click where it says build, and your system will be automatically be set up. So step 5 will be to follow the instructions, and then you are going to be watching your commissions coming in. But one thing you have to do before you start seeing your commissions is to make sure you complete the instructions like the system requires you to do. And then you're going to be reporting your commissions that you're going to be earning to Jason, so that he keeps them as a testimonial whenever he's going to increase the price for getting into this system to 1,997. That's the whole reason, guys. So you are entering in for 47, but it's going to be using your report of you earning commissions to create a testimonial for the people that are going to be joining at 1,997, because then it proves to a lot of people that it's making a lot of people money, because he only has a seat of 50 to maybe 50 plus beta testers. Those are the only ones Jason is looking for, and you have to be in the US or Canada, like I said. No exceptions. So you have to make sure you meet these qualifications for you to even become a beta tester. That's why not everyone can join. But if you're a person who's looking for another way to make money online, you can come to my website. I have some articles that can show you some of the world's best business opportunities if you're a person who's just starting out and you're trying to create a business online. So these are some of the businesses that I'm even trying out myself. So this is my blog, creating content, I'm writing articles, and then later on I'm going to monetize this platform with Google AdSense. So if you check out 11 best business opportunities, you'll be able to find one of the business opportunity that maybe might suit you as an individual. But so you have Amazon selling, freelance writing, blogging, starting your own blog like I've done right there, influencer marketing, mastering one platform, maybe Instagram or YouTube, and then later on you can sell shout outs, you can sell affiliate offers, or you can even sell your own products. You can start an ebook business as well. You can also create a forum platform that is able to create a community for people to come and socialize and also educate themselves, and then that's how you're going to be making money. You can put ads on that forum. You can also sell your own product. You can also have a membership uh, payment for people to look at certain information that is not free for other people that are joining your forum. You can have a private member on the forum, and then people will be able to pay maybe for a month or that. And then we have web designer. Web designer, if you're a person who's a web designer, you can check out this section where I was explaining opportunities for a web designer right now. Or you can simply study this or do your research and become a web designer on YouTube. On You can also learn it from Udemy or Skillshare. And I'll leave a Skillshare link that you can use to learn anything for the next 30 days. It will be able to allow you to go and study anything on the Skillshare platform. And you can go there, learn animation, learn marketing, business, illustration, all those things. And you'll be able to come and read this article or find ways on how to monetize your skill. So like that, you can study it on Udemy. You can offer the same skill that you learn on Skillshare. You can go and teach it as well on Udemy, and you can make money like that. So people are interested on investing on this. It's only 47 one-time activation. You join this, and the other thing, to qualify with this system, you need to be a person who's in the US or Canada. If you are in one of these countries, then you're qualified. You have to also fill in a form, and then you pay the 47 for one-time activation investment. And then later on, when this system that you're going to be beta testing is going to be valued at 1,997. It will be increased, so the people that can afford it right now and they are in the US or Canada will be able to jump in and start making and hopefully get some results like this. So if you've enjoyed the video, guys, feel free to leave a comment if you appreciate information like this, and also leave a comment if you want me to respond. If you have anything that I didn't explain in this video, I'll be able to comment and reply back to your comment. And also subscribe to the channel if you want to see me drop content like this as well. So I'll be seeing you in the next video, guys. Peace.